The snow has finally come, and today we get to bust out the snowblower. Here at our house, we live on a side lot, so we have kind of a long sidewalk beside our house. So it was always a pain to be shoveling, just hurting my back and stuff like that. So I can just bust out the snowblower, and I'm done here in just a few minutes. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get out of the weeds. So this is my snowblower here. It's a Toro Power Clear 518ZE. It's an 18-inch 4-cycle snowblower. You can see it's not huge. It's pretty small and can be compact. This handle here folds up and that for storage. And just to kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at here, we got our driveway right here. Then we have the sidewalk all the way over here. And then you can see all the way down there. That's all sidewalk down there that I'll have to do. And so I have quite a bit of sidewalk to deal with. So that's what makes the snowblower so good. So this one has an electric start, which you can see down here. You can actually plug it in and use the electric start. I usually don't use that because I have to have a cord and stuff. So I usually don't mess with it. And so you have your primer here and your choke here. And so whenever you're starting it, you want to put that all the way out. And then they say to usually like prime it like 2 times. So push it in, out, push it in, prime it twice. And then down here is like this little key where you can actually pull that out to stop it. We can get ready to fire this up, see if it starts. Oh yeah, listen to that baby purr. The lever on the snowblower actually controls the blades there to actually make it go, and it'll be self-propelled. So let's get ready to blow some snow. Man, one thing to use caution on when using the snowblower is make sure you have it pointed in the right direction. It gets very windy here in Indiana, and if you don't have the snow blowing in the right direction, it'll just blow right back in your face, as you can see from me running some of my passes there in from my eyebrows right now. So this is to kind of show you this thing, how I'm controlling it whenever I'm got it started so it's not so loud. So here's your chute right here, and you can control it kind of how you want it. You want the snow to blow up in the air further, or to be like down a little bit more controlled. If it's windy, kind of like it is today, I probably want it more down just to keep it more controlled. And then there's a handle right here, and it just twists. And so depending which direction I'm going, I always try to blow downwind, so that way whatever direction I shoot the snow, it continues, lets the wind take it. If I blow the snow out directly into the wind and the wind's blowing right back, you're just going to get blasted like I did there. So just kind of make sure you're mindful of that if you have any kind of wind on the day you're doing it. You can see here just from doing my quick first pass how much it really just cleared up so much of the snow. So there was a decent bit of snow down, and so it just got it all taken care of here really quick. And then you can always do a second pass if you want to as well. But I just see here in just a few minutes, I was able to just knock out most of my driveway. hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are on the fence about whether you should get a snowblower or not, maybe you're tired of shoveling and stuff, I highly recommend them. They're fun to use, and you don't even need a ton of snow. I know like a misconception, at least I had before getting one, was like, oh man, you got to have a ton of snow to even like get use out of the snowblower, but you really don't. I mean, even just a couple inches or whatever, you can use the snowblower. And so if you have a lot of sidewalk and stuff that you need to take care of, and you get tired of shoveling, snowblowers are an excellent option. And so I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.